In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Fresha dashboard to manage your account settings, specifically focusing on add-ons and integrations. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to access your Fresha dashboard. The dashboard is your control center, where you can manage everything related to your business profile on the Fresha platform. Once you're successfully logged in and on the dashboard screen, take a look at the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a vertical menu filled with various icons. Locate the gear icon on this menu. It usually represents settings and is an essential tool for customizing your account. Once you've spotted the gear icon, go ahead and give it a click. This will take you into your workspace settings, a feature-rich area where you can adjust and personalize many aspects of your Fresha experience. As you browse through the workspace settings, keep an eye out for a section titled Other. This section holds several options that are crucial for adding extra functionalities to your account. Click on Other to proceed. Upon entering the Other section, you'll be presented with a set of possibilities related to both add-ons and integrations. These two components are key to expanding the capabilities of your Fresha account. Let's start by talking about add-ons. Think of add-ons as applications that enhance the functionality of your Fresha profile. They can be incredibly useful for tailoring the platform to better suit your unique business needs. Whether you're looking for additional scheduling options or advanced reporting, these add-ons can make it happen. Now, moving on to integrations, a powerful feature that connects your Fresha account with other online services. Integrations offer you the flexibility and convenience of linking services that you probably already use. For instance, through Google Reserve, your clients can book appointments directly via Google search results, maximizing your visibility and booking potential. If social media engagement is part of your strategy, integrating with platforms like Facebook and Instagram allows clients to book appointments straight from your pages, making the process seamless and straightforward. Moreover, if you're looking to dive into advertising and tracking, integrating Metapixel can be a game changer. With Metapixel, you gain insights through ads and analytics about how your site and services are being accessed, helping you refine your strategy and reach more clients effectively. That's it! By now, you should have a comprehensive understanding of how to access and customize the add-ons and integration settings within your Fresha dashboard. Remember, taking advantage of these settings and features will allow you to optimize your business operations, attract more clients, and enhance the overall service experience you provide. Thank you for tuning in and happy customizing.